How to fix queued email not sending in Gmail. If you are having this issue in your Gmail account, then to fix it, this video is for you. For that, first of all, open your Gmail and hit on the three lines which is on the top left corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and hit on Settings. Now, scroll down to the last. There you will see Data Uses. Go through it and hit on Sync Settings and make it to 0. Once you make it to 0, hit on the Done and go back. Now, launch your settings on your device. From here, go through the General and search for iPhone storage. Now, scroll down until you found Gmail. Once you go to the Gmail, there you will see two options. From here, choose Offload App and then again reinstall your Gmail application. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.